Grabe guys, tingnan mo naman ang view, oh. Super ganda. Promise. Wow. As in, wow. Diba? Can you imagine? Just sitting in this. Sige, kaya mo yan. Alam mo yun? Yung nakaupo ka lang dyan sa baba ng puno ng, ano bang tawag ng puno na ito? Basta puno. And then enjoying the view. Diba? So, ayan guys, nakarating din ako sa Elena's campsite. And then, dito nagbayad lang ako ng 25 pesos for the entrance fee. Diba? Welcome to Elena's campsite. And then, ito yung mga cottage nila. Yan. And then, by the looks of it, pwede ka yatang magstay dito. Dahil, merong parang kwarto sa taas. Diba? And then, yan, napakalawak. It's not for rent. Private use only lang pala. So, sorry. Kala ko for rent siya. Ayan, and then, front beach din siya. And then, most of the tourists coming from Port Barton is stopping here for photos, lunch, yan, may mga cottage din sila. And then, a colorful swing with a view of Long Beach. And then, there's Mount Capwas again. Ayan, may mga cottages sila. I am not sure if how much is the cottage for rent here. Wala kasing tao pagdating ko dito. Or I mean, close sila. And then, this is parang the lifeguard, I think, area, section. And then, that's it. This is the Elena's campsite. Diba? Ang nice lang. And then, meron din silang bonfire dito. And also CR. And of course, dahil sa front beach, you can also rent a life jacket. Which you can see if I zoom it up over there. Yan. So, ayan, guys, ang Elena's campsite. Normally, kapag summer, dito nila kineheld yung summer festival. And then, dito nangyayari yung mga activities ng summer festivals. And then, dyan sa open area na yan, maglalagay lang sila ng mga booths for the foods and drinks. So, the tourists can buy and enjoy while watching the activities. Diba? So, you can check it out, guys. Elena's Campsite. Only here in San Vicente. So, ayan. Akitin natin itong cottage nila. Kasi ang ganda tingnan sa video. Done. Pero feeling ko for rent, pinagpipin. O diba, salita na naman ako ng salita, wala na namang boses at ko. So, welcome to Elena's Campsite. Aray ko. Diba? Muli dito. So relaxing, super. Kaya lang, dahil in season ngayon, hindi ganun katao. Pero minsan, full sila. Lalo na nung summer. Diba? Napahila-hila, oh. Ganun. Huwag ka lang tutumba. Kaya diba? Nagkakaintindihan ba tayo? Huwag ka lang tutumba. Okay? Microphone. Diba? Diba?
got a way of coming back around every now and again. When you get a second chance, don't turn it down. Take a shot in the wind. Oh, don't let the little moments go. It all
You are here
one day you'll look
swinging up,
wish you had what you have, 'cause every breath is like a piece of
watching
gold.
the view of Mount Tawas
One day you'll look
from
and wish
afar,
you had what you have, 'cause every breath is like a piece of
listening
gold.
to the waves of the ocean.
It's like a piece of gold.
What else can you ask for? And so, what are you waiting for, guys? Book your ticket and come to San Vicente,
Things you love the most, never know when they're gone. Don't
where you can find
caught up in chasing your own
only
in the storm.
44
Found the calm in the
centimeters
shots that you don't take, are shots you never miss. But still you gotta try, so don't let yourself wake up one day and wish that you had another life. Oh, don't let the little moments go. It all looks brighter when you know. One day you'll look back and wish you had what you have, 'cause every breath is like a piece of gold. One day you'll look back and wish you had what you have, 'cause every breath is like a piece of gold.
So that's how you enjoy the hammock, guys. Only here in Elena's campsite.
Every breath is like a piece of gold.
So that's it, guys, for today's video. At ang aking sundo ay maya-maya nandirito na. Actually, kanina pa dapat ako nandito. Pero dahil sa may nakita tayong magandang location kanina, doon tayo napatagal ng kaunti. But anyhow, this is Elena's campsite, guys. And again, this is Aklanon Gid Official. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. Paalam!